In this segment, we'll be talking about programming the SVC battery-operated controllers. Now we'll go and hit the center button and go to the Runtime section. Under Runtime, it shows an hourglass, and this is just the duration for each of your zones. This section's real simple. Station 1 shows 10 minutes. The 10 is flashing. We can use the plus or minus to adjust it up or down, and it has a maximum runtime of 4 hours. 4:00. If we go upwards, it goes to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and so on and so forth. When that portion is done, we can use the left or right arrow to navigate through the different valves. Valve number 2 needs his own duration. He's got 10 minutes. Right arrow to station or valve number 3, he has 0 runtime. And station 4 has 0 runtime. Remember, whatever is flashing, you use the plus or minus to change it. So every station or every valve needs to have his own runtime. And then the next section we'll go to by using the center button is going to be the water days. Once again, this controller is programmed by station, so every station needs its own water days. What we're seeing here is the calendar. It tells us we're in the water days mode, and valve number 1 is showing in the screen. The solid water drops mean it's a water day, and the days that have a circle with a line through it means it's a non-water day. Previously, we selected day 1 as being Sunday, and so the cursor was flashing over Sunday. I'm going to select plus, which means yes to water on Sunday, and the cursor automatically jumps to Monday, which is day 2. Plus or minus, we'll go no on that day. Minus means no. And Tuesday is day 3, we'll go ahead and hit plus. Now you can use the right arrow to advance through the days. The left arrow will change the station number, but the right arrow will keep you advancing forward. If you go beyond day 7, you'll go into the interval mode. And this simply says that we're going to water every 3rd day, for example. We see station number 1 still exhibited here in the display, and in this instance we're on interval 3. Now if you don't want interval, you want to pick your days of the week, hit the right arrow to go back into the 7-day pick your own day mode for station 1. Once you have completed what it is that you're going to do for that station, say we want all 7 to be on. When station 1 is done, use your left arrow to jump to station 2. Now see, he's already in the interval mode for station 2. You can use the plus or minus to adjust how many days you want, every 3rd day, every 4th day, every 5th day. That's interval mode. But if we don't want interval for station 2, use the right arrow to go back to your 7-day, pick your own days, plus or minus. So that's station 2, but the important part here is you need to know every station needs its own daily schedule. Once the days are selected for each of your stations, 3 and station 4, it goes back to station 1. Use the center button. That's the off screen. Hit it one more time and it goes to the home screen. If you want the controller to turn off for a rain event for the next week or 2, simply use the center button and scroll through all your choices till you get to the off screen. Leave it in that mode, it goes to sleep in the off mode and it will not turn on. If you want to leave it in the automatic mode, it needs to be left at the home screen with the battery life showing, the current time of day and day of the week. The display in the controller will go blank within a few moments to conserve battery life. So next time you arrive here, you'll see a blank screen. And you'll just use the center button to bring the screen back up again. Quick recap on this. Don't forget, this is all done at the station level. Start times, run times, and days of the week for each station is necessary.